Hello, what is up guys? Alex here from Tech Inspected, coming to you with a little tutorial on how to put a new nib on your SPen. This is a SPen for the Galaxy Fold. Um, a new SPen if you broke the tip of your SPen. Now, most Galaxy devices with pens have replacement nibs. Some don't, but usually they do. So as you can see, we have a couple more replacement nibs in the case, box. As you can see, I have two more. I've already broken one. So there was three. I broke the original one on the pen and then replaced it. So now I have two. But that it broke as well. So I broke two already. This is my second time on replacing a nib. Excuse me. Usually, if the nib does not snap off, you can use this little pincher device to remove the old nib and put in a new one. But unfortunately, both occasions my nib has snapped off, and a lot of people has had this problem. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it. What you want to get is maybe a safety pin like this, or this little push pin. I have manual focus on, so that's why it's not focusing on the back here. And I'll show you how to do this. Basically, you hold on to like both sides. Maybe I'll do it with the safety pin. Yeah. You hold on to it like this, and then you scoop. You sort of try to get the little pokey bit, the little edge, poke the side of the nib, and then try to lift it with your finger by using lever motion on your finger like this. So I do need to like get my face in there so I can see what's going on, but I think I'm making progress already. I'll move my microphone and just do this without the mic. Okay. This one's a tough one, huh? It's not even on camera. It's coming off. Oh boy. And there he goes. Woo. There we go. Try not to like damage the sides. Oops, sorry. Try not to damage the sides of the pen. And as you can see, we have removed the cut off tip of the nib. I don't really know why it's designed this way. Maybe it is the only way Samsung could design this stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's Wacom design. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna put in the new nib, but Some people use a different method called the hot pin. So they make the pin really hot and then push it through the little plastic and then solidify and cool down the hot pin so that it sort of sort of creates a bond with the plastic, and then they pull out the thing. I think that's effective, but this is a SPen for the Fold. Now the SPen for the Fold has this little spring mechanism which does not allow you to do that necessarily, because, well, I'm just pushing in the new nib, by the way, because the SPen for the Fold has this spring mechanism, as you can see. So I don't think the hot pin method will work necessarily for the Fold pen. But as you can see, we have put in the new nib, and it's sort of spring loaded as well, because obviously back then Samsung said you need a spring loaded pen, and as you can see, it works again. So that's how you do it. That's how you replace the broken nib on a Samsung Fold. I don't know if that helped you, but hopefully that did. This is a very common problem with a lot of SPens for the Folds and other SPens as well, but particularly for the Fold because it is spring loaded. Hope that helps you out. Tech Inspected here, Alex from Tech Inspected. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.